looking through all that stuff and we are deleting it. GarageBand, photo booth. Yeah. Okay, that's on red. Orange. I don't need this stuff, so I will be deleting some apps right here. Dancing line. Pages, Slither.io. No, I don't need this. So we will delete some of these stuff. Oh no, there's a lot of stuff that I don't need here. ABC mouse. No, we'll keep the ABC mouse. I've been paying for that thing. So on green. Messages. So messages is important. I will move the messages. Can I open messages right here? AT&T. No, I don't need the messages on my iPad. So I'll just keep that there. Slime. Oh my lord. Colorful 3D. What is that? I can just delete that. Come on. Maps. Find my phone. Allow once using the app. Okay. I'll keep that in there. FaceTime. We are gonna move FaceTime over here for now so I can see that. So that's one thing that's important with green. iMovie. I know it for a fact. I have to... What's going on? What does it say? It's going crazy.
That was so scary. Wait, you got your... I'm a pro! Wait, is that my account? That was scary. Oh my god. Wait, that's my account.
I know, boy. I know it. I know what's inside your iPads. Mm-hmm. Your iPad. I know what's inside. Ba.
That's my account. That was so scary.
What was it?
Like, even the clock had like weird like number things going. And it was like
Lord.
and it was like creepy. There was like a face. Oh, there wasn't a face. But... I just told Lainey just turn it off. What happened? That's what happened. Just turn it off.
All right. Good night. It's already 12
Wait, can
o'clock.
I see
See,
this?
that's what happens because it's 12 o'clock.
No, can I use this to see? I'm gonna. Wait, what?
All right. Go to bed now. It's 12 o'clock now. I'm about to delete some of this stuff. It's a lot. Now that's in your
No
iPad, not my
Roblox.
iPad.
No
All right.
Roblox.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's my game.
I'm going to play Roblox myself.
scared. You
Good
go
night.
first, you go
Good night.
first, you go
Brush
first.
your teeth.
You're
Go
going
give me a kiss, Alex. Good night.
Oh
Crazy. I need to put clips out. And I need to put apps out. Keynote. Okay. Teal. Tell. It's supposed to be teal. This one I'm gonna move out. Gone. This game. Tell is gone. Purple. What's inside of purple? Color Bomb Podcast. Styles Hub. iTunes Store. Yeah, we'll keep that. Black. Twisty arrows. Oh my gosh. Measure. Apple TV, we'll keep that. Brown Battle Flip. First grade, no. Gray. We'll get that one out. Contacts. Settings, of course. I don't need my contacts, right? No. White. Calendar. We'll take out the calendar. We don't need that. Don't need that. News, yeah. Bacon. Photos. We're gonna take out the photos. The clock. The reminders. Notes. No, we'll keep that there. Entertainment. TikTok. We'll take out TikTok. Shortcut. Go record, FaceTime, all that stuff. Now we can move here. Epic Race 3D, delete. Bubble tea, delete. Pancake art, delete. Cubes, delete. Sandballs, delete. Rescue Road, my goodness. Cubert, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I don't need this in my life. Alright, next. Really now. Okay. Okay.